AI solutions transform accounting departments through process AI agents that autonomously handle operational tasks across the department. This new system of work shows these agents in action, while the integrated conversational AI assistant uses a process reasoning engine to answer questions by intelligently retrieving information from both unstructured and structured data repositories. Not only can our solution handle complete end-to-end transactions autonomously, but it also assists users with complex exceptions. When issues arise, like missing PO documents, the process reasoning engine identifies the problem and provides guidance by connecting to multiple platforms in the background. The system intelligently identifies similar POs and suggests best next actions while ensuring compliance and best practices are maintained for every transaction. This creates a seamless blend of automation and human expertise for handling even the most challenging scenarios. When the AP specialist accepts a suggested action, it orchestrates a network of AI agents that simultaneously update invoice systems and manage all purchaser communications. Now, let me highlight how our system handles urgent matters. With just a simple document upload, our AI solution springs into action. The moment a transaction document enters the system, our technology identifies what type of document it is, pulls out all critical information, and automatically prioritizes it based on urgency and deadlines. Our AI agents then take over completely, routing documents through approval workflows, updating all connected systems, and sending out necessary notifications without anyone lifting a finger. What used to take your team hours of back and forth emails and system updates now happens automatically in the background. Imagine you've just received a new 30-page vendor agreement or technical specification. Rather than spending hours reading through it, you can simply upload it to our system and start asking questions. Our AI immediately analyzes the entire document, no matter how complex, and creates a comprehensive understanding of its content. You can then ask questions like, "What are the payment terms?" or "Show me the compliance requirements." For every transaction handled by our AI solution, you can see exactly what steps were taken, what logic was applied, and how the system's plan was executed from start to finish. This isn't just a simple status update, it's a detailed audit trail that reveals precisely how your documents were processed, what rules were followed, and what decisions were made along the way. Our AI solution includes comprehensive, customizable dashboards that provide instant visibility into your most critical accounting metrics. These real-time insights allow you to track performance, identify bottlenecks, and measure process improvements. Test drive our AI solution today and discover how it can transform your accounting operations.